Okay, your first order of business is to remove the battery or unhook your battery. You can use a crescent wrench or a socket. I loosen this ahead of time. So safety first. So always disconnect the negative on your battery before you're doing any kind of electrical work or disassembling your car. Also, at this point, you know you're going to have to get wires to your battery. So look where wires are coming in to your firewall. There is a wiring harness there that's going in, and over on this side there is a wiring harness going in through the firewall. So those are two good points that you know you're going to be able to get wire through. Which one's easier, we're going to find out here in a minute, and we will go from there. Okay, we're partway through our dash teardown. We got the glove box off, the center of the dash is apart, the side vents are loose and accessible. So now we need to figure out where power is going to come through. We had two wiring harnesses, one on the passenger side, one on the driver's side. This one's located next to the battery, might be the best one, but we need to see where we can get through. Okay, back in the car, we'll start on the passenger side. That wiring harness is hidden behind the AC equipment, so that one's not going to be the ideal choice right now. Let's see about the driver's side. So what we have here is our wiring harness is located right there. Easily accessible, get to the firewall, and that's the one we're going to use. We're also going to locate our control box probably up there in that corner where there's plenty of room for it. Alright, so now you got the wire through. What I did was cut a small slit in the boot. What we're going to do is cover that with liquid electrical tape at a later time. I pre-connected the red to the battery. You can see. Pre-connected the red to the battery, which is the positive. Now what we're going to do is do the ground. Just take off the nut, put on your terminal adapter. All of this is pre-wired for you. Put the nut back on it. All we're going to do right now is just test the system, see how it's going, make sure everything's up to date, working good. Okay, we're back to the driver's side. Interior, and you can see the boot and where the wire came through. It's this gray wire, and now we're still in our checking process, so we're gonna go ahead and check out. Get your key fob. You got on. Second strobe pattern. This is the fade pattern for Tropix. All blink, all lights on, red on, green on, or blue on, and then back to the beginning strobe. No matter where you have this function set to, you turn it off, turn it back on, it goes to the beginning. So everything's working fine. We're going to disconnect our battery again and continue the installation.